next project in the house is the entryway to my home. In the previous video, I had showed you how I repainted this a new color. And so today I want to show you the decor that I'm going to put on the wall here, just so we have a nice, warm, welcoming, inviting entryway. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to hang some lanterns on the wall. Now I got creative and made these kind of hook holders for these lanterns to hang on out of a piece of a pallet. And then I actually bought, these are robe hooks or towel hooks for the bathroom, and I attached them to this pallet piece of wood. And so I just used shorter screws on the back to attach this, because the reason why I went with this is I needed something that was, first of all, strong enough for these lanterns, but then also that gave me a good distance away from the wall, because when these lanterns hang on here, as you can see, they already pretty much hit the wood. So I needed something that came out far enough that I could hang these lanterns on. So when it's all said and done, this is kind of the look. There'll be a candle in there, and it'll be flanking a really cool wood carving piece that I have that I'm going to hang on the wall in between the two lanterns.